Hi, good day, all of you. Welcome to Com Trader. So today I'm going to discuss about the only strategy I follow. I make money from that. So I wish you to follow this strategy and make money. So I'll explain the strategy and please follow the risk reward. So I have taken a live trade. Yesterday I took a live trade, but I couldn't record that. Now I'm showing it on my screen how I have taken a trade. So overall you can see it. I'm using a 5 minutes time frame. Overall you can see it. The gold is still in a bearish mode because it has reached all-time high and now again it is coming back to. It is taking some resistance and it is coming back down. Overall you can see this where I have taken a trade. I use like 9 and 15 EMA to take support and resistance. You can see it. If the price is below 9 EMA and 15 EMA, then the market will be bearish. Okay. If the price is above 9 EMA and 15 EMA, then the market will be bullish. And another EMA I use is that is 200 EMA, that which I have explained in a previous video. You can go and watch, or else please comment it so that I will explain in detail about 200 EMA, what is the 200 EMA and all. So now I will going to explain which I have taken a trade. Overall the gold is in falling. Then I use this trend line. So this trend line I have used. You can see it. There is a trend line breakdown. So this is one of the support. Then again one more second. Vertical. You need to draw always the trend line 45 degree, not 35 or 65. For 45 degree, like almost like this or like this, not like this. Okay, so I have drawn a trend line. So I am observing that overall the market is in bearish. So I have to look only for a bearish trend because trend is our friend. Now you can see it, the market came down, gold trade came down. Again it is going upwards. So I need to look for a bearish trade where the trend line breaks. So here I can see it. The trend line, one time it has taken support, second time, and almost third time it has taken support. But I didn't take a trade here. When I took a trade is if this candle breaks down below 15 EMA and 9 EMA. Here it has broken, but you can observe it. Here it has broken. But if this breaks below 9 and 15 EMA, then only we have to take the trade. So I have shorted over here. I have shorted about this candle and put a stop loss above this because here is a resistance, right? Above this I have put, and the target is I always follow 1:2 risk reward. See, you can see it over here. You can see it over here. 1:2. This is 1:1 means I'm risking 12 pips. $12. If I take a 0.01 a lot, then I'm getting a profit of 12 points. You can get it. So like 1:1, and I'm taking it profit of 1:2. So you can observe this. The market started falling. Again it is going back. Then I have shorted here. I have put a stop loss here. Then target. It took me almost, you can observe it. This is a 5 minutes candle. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1 hour, 10, 20, 30, 40. Almost 1 hour, 40 minutes. This trade has taken. So it gave a nice move. After 1:1, if I get 1:1, I will shift my stop loss to cost. Then my trade will be risk free. Then I can trail to 1:2. So this one I follow. I hope you got this strategy, and I make only money from this strategy. So I hope you also follow this strategy. Please follow the risk reward. Don't hurry. Don't go in aggressive trades. Only the matter is you have to follow the risk reward. I hope you understood this strategy. Thank you.